back to the channel. Today's video, we are doing a makeup tutorial and we're doing this gorgeous smoky bronze fall inspired look. I feel like this is giving crunchy dead leaves, you know? I've got some different bronzes and browns in this look. So if you guys want to see how I accomplished it, just keep watching. I'm not gonna be doing my foundation and stuff in this video. This tutorial is only for the eye look, but refer to one of my other makeup looks if you wanna see like a full face of how I do everything. But this video is just for the eyes. Okay, now let's get into it. My eyebrows look so freaking harsh without other makeup on. They also are so freaking overdue for a wax. I feel like they just look absolutely terrible, but it's fine. Anyways, today we're using the Juvia's Place, the Coffee Shop palette. This is a gorgeous all brownie nudes palette that I picked up from Ulta the other day. And I am very excited to use this because I feel like this is going to be such a pretty look. So we're going to do like a smoky, sexy brown look for fall. Oh. It would probably help to have a mirror. Okay, much better. I've got my cute little ColourPop Mickey Mouse mirror that my friends got me for my birthday. All right, so to start, I'm going to go in with this kind of almost mustardy light brown color. And I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush, dip into that color, and this is just kind of going to be my smoky base. So I'm going to put this all along my crease and then diffuse it up towards my brow, like so. Then repeat for the other eye. All right, I'm gonna take that same color and the same brush and I'm just going to diffuse this underneath my lash line just a tad. You wanna build up your look and so that it looks like it has layers and depth to it. You don't want it to be too harsh. And diffusing this color out above and below the eye will help with that look. Next up, we're going to take sort of a flat-ish headed brush like this. And I'm going to go into this deep brown right here with a little bit of sparkle in her. And I'm actually going to start layering that very intensely at the inner corner and outer corner of my eye. And even though I'm packing this color on pretty intensely, I'm also going to just, after I've gotten the color pretty packed onto my lid, just slightly take it up so that it kind of bleeds into that other color. I'm gonna go back with my fluffy brush that I used to lay that first color down and just kind of lightly diffuse this color out so it's nice and blended and there aren't any harsh lines. You might have to repeat this step a couple of times to ensure that your color stays bold but that it still diffuses out to a nice color. All right, we're gonna go ahead and switch to the other eye and finish her out. Now, as you can see, I'm keeping the center of my lid pretty blank of color. All right, and while I have this color out, I am just gonna do a little bit on the inside and outside of my lower lash line, just because I still have a little bit of this color left on the brush, but not a ton. Just to kind of smoke it out just a tad. Get this color blended a little bit better at the edges, and then again taking my fluffy brush, just gonna try and continue to diffuse this color out so it's not too harsh. This color is actually very almost black. Like, it looks brown in the palette, but it is definitely almost black. Which is fine, we'll deal with it. Okay. Next up, I'm gonna take another flat-headed brush like this one. And I'm going to go into this very, very shimmery shade right here, the bottom left corner of the palette, or bottom right corner. And I'm going to pick up as much color as I can. I might need to do this with my fingers, but we're gonna try it with a brush first. Oh yeah, no, we're gonna have to do this with our fingers. Sometimes sparkle colors just do not pick up well on brushes, and that's fine. Just rub your finger in the color, and then we're going to pack it in the center of this look. It's actually not quite as easy to work with as I thought maybe it would be. It's a rather chunky glitter. We might have to layer one of the other glitters on top of this to make it have the impact that I want. Well, actually, no, that looks pretty nice. I don't hate it. Okay, then we're gonna go back in with the brush that we used for that super dark brown, and we're just gonna try and touch it up. And we're blending it a little bit into the shimmer color, again, so that there are just no harsh lines between the two. It's just one of those things where you have to continue to work with it and play with it until it has the effect that you want. And like I said, I wanted this to be like a smoky, sultry look. So we're gonna continue to just get it smoked out. I'm taking a little bit of the excess of that super dark brown, and I'm kind of connecting the two lines in my crease. Again, this will help with that kind of smoked out effect. I really do like this color, but it's a little bit more gold than brown, and I do really want to do like a brown look. So I think I'm gonna also try this darker brown shimmer up here, and I'm just going to literally lay that right on top in the center of this look. Yeah. Okay, that's definitely closer to what I wanted. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing underneath the eye. Just taking it and rubbing it in the center. Sorry that it looks like I'm flipping you guys off. I just feel like I have the most control over my middle finger. And while I'm concentrating this on the middle underneath my eye, I'm also kind of taking it all the way to the sides just to kind of make sure that it's nice and blended. Beautiful, okay. Let's wipe this off. There's not really a light sparkle color, which is fine. So I'm just going to go into this cream color up at the top right of the palette and add just a little bit of highlight underneath my brow. Not that it matters because my brows are overgrown forests right now, but you know. And then I'm also going to take a little bit and just kind of put it on the inside corner right here because I just want there to be light at the corners of my eyes, if that makes sense. And especially when you're using a bunch of dark colors, they can kind of get in that corner and look kind of patchy and sad. Okay. Make sure we don't really have any fallout. Looks pretty good to me. Okay. Awesome. I think that's a really pretty eye look, and also it was super duper easy. You can't really like mess it up a ton because I feel like if you just work on blending out, eventually you'll get to like the look that you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my lip on. I'm going to use the shade, not that one. I'm going to use the shade 14. This is the Rimmel London like Kate Moss lipsticks. Do they even still sell these? I have no clue. Really couldn't tell you. But I'm not gonna do any lip liner because I don't have one that's like cut brown enough for what I want. And then I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate Fantasy Gloss Bomb. I picked this up also at Ulta the other day. And I'm just gonna layer this over top. Cute. I would even say you could do an even darker brown with this look, and I think it would be really pretty. All right, next I'm going to put on some lashes. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll catch you guys in a second. Lashes are on. We are going to add a little bit of eyeliner just because, again, we're trying to go for a smoked out look. So I am going to line my waterline up here. This will also help just give more volume to these lashes and make them look more cohesive with my actual lashes. Perfect. And then I'm also going to line my tight line down here. I think I said this backwards. This is my waterline. Tight line is above. And then I'm just going to kind of go a little bit along the lashes as well, kind of roughen it up and again give it that like kind of smoked out look. Do you see the difference? Yes, you do. And like the difference between not smoking it into my lashes versus here, I hope you guys can see that difference as well, because I feel like it does just add that little bit of extra kind of sexy smokiness. I feel like this is such a good fall date night look. Okay, next I'm just going to add a little bit of liquid liner to the inner corners because sometimes I feel like it looks a little bit harsh where the lashes start. And so I feel like it just kind of blends them in a little bit more. And then sometimes I take it over top of the lashes as well if I feel like the glue is really obvious or anything like that. Again, we're just trying to disguise it so that when people look at you, they really think these are your real lashes. Okay. That's a little bit better, I feel like. Then I'm just going to curl these lashes. That's a really good way to make your lashes and your fake lashes look like they are just all together, is curling them all at the same time. I also feel like it just gives some extra lift to the eye. I feel like sometimes fake lashes can look a little bit droopy, and giving them a little bit of a curl I feel like can just really help them not look like they're casting a shadow over your eye, if that makes sense. Gorgeous, if I do say so myself. Then I'm just going to take some mascara. This is the Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline, but any old mascara will do. And I'm basically starting where my real lashes are, and I'm just like barely giving them some mascara. Again, this is kind of to disguise my regular lashes into the real lashes. And then I just do like a very, very small coating on the fake lashes. I just feel like this makes them look a little bit more realistic. Again, disguises the fake lash with your real lash. And I don't know, I just feel like this is how I get the most like authentic look. And of course I got it on my nose because that's just my life. Now we're gonna do the bottom lashes as well. I love bottom lashes so much. Like, I think that they're so pretty. I don't know why. I love when bottom lashes have like their own moment. Okay, I think that's a completed look. Just need to get this off the middle of my nose. I'll have to repair that with some foundation. Oh man. But that is the completed look. Let's get my hair down so we get the full effect. Not that my hair looks good today. My hair looks absolutely awful, but it's fine. It's a pretty look. I hope you guys like it and enjoyed this little tutorial. I feel like this is one that a lot of people can do. So many palettes have like a dark brown and a light brown and some sort of like shimmery bronze. So I feel like this turned out really well. All right, I'm gonna scoot you guys back and we'll finish up this video. All right, if you guys enjoyed this little tutorial and you'd like to see more, make sure you give it a like, hit that subscribe button down below to come hang out with me on the channel. I'm uploading spooky content every single day until the end of October. Halloween night will be our last video. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it so far and stay along for the rest. If there are any makeup looks you would like to see me do, definitely leave them in the comments below. I'm gonna do maybe 1 or 2 more Halloween looks this year and that'll be it. So if there's something you wanna see, definitely let me know because I would love to help you guys out and give you a tutorial for whatever kind of look you're trying to do. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.